something about this USA tour, because the level of excitement is crazy.
It's the love of the people. जो मेरा ऑडियंस है, जो मेरे फैंस हैं, वो इतना प्यार करते हैं मुझसे और इतने सालों से करते आ रहे हैं.
दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना, मुझे लगता है कि वो जब तक शादियां होंगी वो गाना फिर होगा.
Rajshri Productions were the ones who introduced me to movies. और तब सूरज जी used to be an assistant. And he used to write continuity और ये सब वो लिखते थे.
रणबीर कपूर के साथ में लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है कि एक आपकी फिर से एक फिल्म आपकी आने.
Oh my God, yeah, why not?
आपका कोई इंटरव्यू अगर सरोज खान जी के बारे में है, वो जो एक इज्जत थी मतलब आपकी उनके लिए और इसलिए जिस तरीके की मोहब्बत उनकी आपके लिए थी.
I really miss her.
अभी सरोज जी के बारे में बात करते करते माधुरी जी की आंखें नम हो चुकी हैं. It's wonderful to have Madhuri Dixit ji with me here in New Jersey. She is starting her USA tour tomorrow, and today is the press conference, and it's truly amazing to have her with me. Madhuri ji, thank you very much first of all.
Thank you.
And you're looking stunning as always.
Thank you so much.
Something about this USA tour, because the level of excitement is crazy. Everyone has only one thing to say that she is my favorite. ये आपने जादू आपने कैसे आपने create किया हुआ है?
I think it's the love of the people. जो मेरा ऑडियंस है, जो मेरे फैंस हैं, वो इतना प्यार करते हैं मुझसे और इतने सालों से करते आ रहे हैं. Another thing is that I've always approached my career with the same kind of intensity, the same sincerity, honesty. और जब भी काम किया है, I've always tried to do it to the best of my capacity.
Right.
So I think that kind of shows in my performances, and that's what people love about me.
Right, absolutely. In fact, Atif bhai of World Star Entertainment, मेरी जब भी उनसे बात होती थी तो ही उससे कि मैंने बहुत सारे शोज करे हैं, लेकिन माधुरी जी का शो जो है वो मेरे लिए इतना अहम है कि मैं सो नहीं पा रहा हूँ रातों में.
Oh my God.
So ये that people are having like a personal sort of element which is beyond anything else.
नहीं, जब आप रोल्स करते हैं, when you do certain roles and when you impact people's lives with those, they identify with you, they relate with you, and that relationship develops over the years. And I think that's what makes them excited, because I am part of their many memories.
Absolutely.
And so many things in their lives which are attached to maybe some role I played or some film that I did. And all that kind of plays up, I think, and they're excited, and I'm very excited to be here too.
Right. Atif bhai वो मुस्कुरा रहे हैं. Atif bhai के बारे में अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहें.
Well, he's a national promoter, and he's done so many successful shows, and I just wish you and us all the best, and I hope these events also become very successful.
And ma'am, आपके fans बहुत ही enthusiastically celebrate कर रहे हैं 10 अगस्त को अबोध की भी एनिवर्सरी है, 4 decades कंप्लीट करेंगे.
Yes.
How do you look at this I think most amazing journey that you had so far?
Well, I look at it with a lot of love, with a lot of regard. Because ever since I started my career, I was so fortunate that I met very good people. I got to work with the best of directors, the best of choreographers. I got to do the choicest of movies, lovely roles. And I look back and I feel very grateful,
right.
And I really pray to God every day and thank God for everything that He's given me.
Right. हम आपके कौन रिसेंटली 30 years कंप्लीट किए हैं. दैट इज दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना. मुझे लगता है कि वो जब तक शादियां होंगी वो गाना फिर होगा.
Right.
So how do you look back at that?
Very fondly, क्योंकि Rajshri Productions were the ones who introduced me to movies.
अबोध, of course.
मतलब मेरी अबोध पहली फिल्म थी, वो Rajshri Productions के साथ थी, और तब सूरज जी used to be an assistant. And he used to write continuity और ये सब वो लिखते थे. और जब वो मेरे पास आए ये स्क्रिप्ट लेके, and I just couldn't believe it that how much he had matured and what kind of a director he had become, because he had already directed मैंने प्यार किया by then. And so when he narrated the script to me, I was taken aback. I said, my God, Suraj ji, you have written this, and the way he narrated, and when we did the film actually, and it was such a beautiful film. Even today, like, people say that they can watch it anytime, if it's running, and it's usually running on some OTT platform, and people sit and watch it, and it was so beautiful, about relationship, about family, about our culture, and that really captured people's imagination, and even today, they love that movie.
Right, ma'am. Salman sir, he's got a tremendous sense of humor. वो हर किसी का he pulls everyone's leg. But the level of respect that he has for you, like, is something that is मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. I think किसी भी actor के लिए ये जो आपका एक special I think bond है. I think unanimously across the board your industry.
I got along with everyone in the industry. There's no one that I didn't get along or had a fight with, or had any misunderstanding with, because मैं आती थी तो it used to be like, I am working here, I'm here, मतलब I want to give my best, and I think somewhere people saw that, and the way I've conducted myself over the years, people respect that, and it brings me joy when you say that.
तो छोटे-छोटे सवाल मैं और पूछना चाहूँगा. धर्मा ने recently एक BTS इमेज रिलीज करी है घाघरा की एंड दीवानी दीवानी, एंड रणबीर कपूर के साथ में लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है कि एक आपकी फिर से एक फिल्म आपकी आने.
Oh my God, yeah, why not? Why not? He's such a wonderful actor himself. और जब हमने गाना भी किया था, इतना मतलब we enjoyed it so much because he's also someone who gives it his all, when he's dancing or he's acting or whatever. And I think it's a mutual admiration society, because I love his work, and of course if we get a chance to work together, I would definitely love to do that.
सरोज खान जी के कोई भी इंटरव्यू अगर देखें, और आपका कोई इंटरव्यू अगर सरोज खान जी के बारे में है, वो जो एक इज्जत थी मतलब आपकी उनके लिए, और इसलिए जिस तरीके की मोहब्बत उनकी आपके लिए थी, वो मुझे लगता है कि वो द्रोणाचार्य और वो जो एक जो एलिमेंट है, वो शायद हमेशा वो उसके बारे में बातचीत
एक गुरु शिष्य की ये थी. Yeah, absolutely.
So how special was that bonding and that relationship?
Yeah, it was very special क्योंकि उनकी जो कला थी, I used to love her art, her कला, the way she used to पिक्चराइज द सॉन्ग्स, या उनकी जो मूवमेंट्स होती थी डांस की, और जो हमारा एक रिलेशनशिप था वेयर वर्क इज़ कंसर्न. इट्स लाइक हमने पैक्ट किया था कि मैंने कहा सरोज जी हम बहुत सारे गाने करने वाले हैं साथ में, लेकिन आई वांट एवरी सॉन्ग टू बी यूनिक, इट शुड लुक यूनिक, एंड दैट्स हाउ शी केम अप विद द हुक स्टेप्स. एंड शी सेड अगर ये गाना बजेगा तो लोगों के सामने वो स्टेप आनी चाहिए कि ये स्टेप थी इस गाने की, या एंड आई सेड वी शुड नेवर रिपीट आवर स्टेप्स, एंड बाद में फिर वो बोलती थी व्हाई डिड आई अग्री विद यू फॉर दैट, क्योंकि मुझे हर एक स्टेप याद रहती थी. तो जब भी रिपीट होती थी स्टेप, आई सेड सरोज जी ये वाली हमने वो वाले गाने में की है. बोले बाप रे तेरी हाथी की तरह, यू हैव अ मेमोरी ऑफ अ हाथी. अब मैं परेशान हो गई हूँ. But she used to come up with like such beautiful dance numbers, and the way she used to choreograph, and the way she was. I mean, डांटती भी थी, जो भी होता था. But I used to love her because of her art and because of how she was a woman, in a man's world.
Absolutely.
Literally, and she was the first woman choreographer who made it to the top. And I had a lot of respect for her for that.
And must be very productive towards you as well.
Oh yes, I mean she used to say like, you're like my daughter on the set, so don't worry about anything, And yeah, I really miss her.
अभी सरोज जी के बारे में बात करते करते माधुरी जी की आंखें नम हो चुकी हैं, एंड we'll I think end this conversation over here. माधुरी जी मतलब घंटों चाहिए बात करने के लिए आपके साथ में, लेकिन congratulations for this wonderful tour.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I hope all the fans are here and we will have a wonderful time.
I'm sure that you will. Everyone is excited.